Hi, welcome back to the Blackening of Crime. We speak about healing and moving forward, but what does moving forward in peace mean for some? Last Tuesday, white Missouri Republican Lieutenant Peter Kinder stated to MSNBC host that the curfew in Ferguson should be reinstated as Anglo-American jurisprudence. Anglo-American civilization is working in Ferguson, he said. But was the governor also referring to avowed Anglo-Saxon doctrine by Edward Ross that states, the city Negro brought into direct competition with a white race has usually but one avenue out of his dilemma, the road to prison or to an early grave. Again, was the governor thinking about the Anglo-Saxon doctrine by Edward Ross that states, the Negro brought into direct competition with a white race has usually but one avenue out of his dilemma, the road to prison or an early grave. The superiority of a race cannot be preserved without the pride of blood. Avowed Anglo-Saxon Edward Ross. Is that the value that the governor is talking about? Permanent racial inequality and premature death among blacks was a scientifically sound solution to the Negro problem. This statement, echoed in 1896 by Anglo-Saxon Edward Ross, seemed to have an enduring effect today, as evident in society, implied through Missouri Republican Governor Peter Kinder. Thanks to the book Condemnation of Blackness by Gibran Muhammad.
And I said to the aide that you have a lot of people puzzled across the state of Missouri why you would announce that there's no curfew on Monday night. And I do not understand we do not do justice in America in the streets, though. We have legal processes that are set in motion, that are designed after centuries of Anglo-American jurisprudence tradition. Officer who has not yet been charged, he could not be charged because the evidence has not yet been laid before a grand jury. To the prosecutor's credit, do not do justice in the streets, Ronan. That's one of the great advances of Anglo-American civilization.